case study here for the Natural World Physical paper, which is the Bewdley 2014 floods. This is part of the Distinctive Landscapes unit. As you can see here, we've got a map showing where the location of the Bewdley is. Bewdley is on the middle course of the River Severn, located to the southwest of Birmingham in the Midlands. The River Severn itself flows all the way from Plinlimmon and the Cambrian Mountains in an arc shape through Shrewsbury and Bridgnorth before flowing south through Bewdley, which was 100 miles along its course, and onto then Worcester before entering the Bristol Channel. The main causes of the Bewdley floods are seen on the screen here. We've got an increased rainfall mainly, which is the main cause, upstream near the source, and this has been mainly a cause due to a relief rainfall, which is extra rain caused by the mountains there. As well as that, there's also been lots and lots of deforestation in the area. Because the trees have been cut off, we've got an increased runoff where the trees previously would have trapped the water and held it there, but instead the water now just simply runs straight off into the streams and into the land nearby. As well as that, we've got increased building on the floodplain. This has meant that there's more and more impermeable concrete surfaces, so any water that falls onto it will run off there, and that again increases the amount of water in the channel. There's also some sheep farming and arable farming in the area there, rather than the forest which was originally in the area, and the agricultural farming that we've got there tramples the ground down and makes little ruts and little rills which the water then flows through, causing even more flooding. We can see here on the screen a storm flow on the diagram, and we can see we've got a rain gauge. The flood waters have been shown to threaten Bewdley, as you can see here with the upstream storm gauge. This shows the extra water from the storms shown on the storm flow on the flood hydrograph, which was heading to Bewdley. So they were able to see this and try and put some protection in place for Bewdley to try and reduce the amount of damage. The actual effects of the flood are that there were 5 metre higher than normal flow in 2014. There was groundwater was full, and as a result lots and lots of water, as all the land around everywhere was saturated and full, and none of the drains or anything could hold any more water. 140 properties were flooded, especially in the northern part of Bewdley. As a result of this, they decided to make flood defences, some of which they tried to put in place then, and others that have been made since. So we've got 200 metre concrete walls were built at the northern edge of Bewdley. They were therefore to protect the property and to hit the wall rather than going inside the building and then the water deflected back into the channel. There was the widening of the river paths on either side of the River Severn. This was to increase the capacity of areas where it could be flooded, and therefore less damage was put there. And there were also, they built erectable, demountable barriers to protect the property. This picture shows the workers there actually building the barrier as we speak, where they are fastened to the base of the roadside there by the path, and then they're all slotted together, and the idea being that the buildings on the other side of the river will be protected and not be flooded at all. After this, in the future, since the 2014 flood, they've tried to come up with actions to try and reduce the flooding damage in the future. This includes afforestation upstream of Bewdley, where they've planted lots and lots of trees, but obviously that will take a long time for it to come into place before it works effectively. They've also tried to improve the quality of the buildings and have more flood protection, such as self-closing air bricks, which you can see on the left, so they close and the water isn't able to get in, and also more and more flood-proof doors and barriers along the buildings to try and reduce the amount